How many of you have staircases that you love to attach a beautiful Christmas garland to your banister? So you're aware of using garland tiebacks. And at a local store, I saw some that they were selling. They were like 12 in the package, and I think they were running like $8, $9, something like that. And they were very thin, and they had very tiny little ornaments on the ends of them. And basically these would be hidden inside the actual garland. But I came up with an idea that I thought would be a little bit more lush, and actually the ornaments would be more substantial. What I have decided to do is simply get a package of these wired garland ties that they sell at the Dollar Tree, and I chose bells, red bells to go with the green tieback. And so we're simply just going to take one of these, not all of you guys, just one. There we go. Take one of these, and we're going to take one of these bells, and because these are wired, simply take it and stick it through this end of the bell and pull it back, bend it over, get you another bell. You can actually see how easy this is. I can't believe I didn't think about it sooner. And again, just push a little bit of it through. Noisy little guy, isn't it? Once you get a little bit through, bend that back around like that. And there you have it. You have a tieback for your garland. And this is actually, even though it's Dollar Tree, is a little bit more substantial than what they were selling in the store. What an easy way to make your own garland tiebacks. Now I have a decor piece that I'd like to share with you. It's something that I created last year, and I really, really do love this and love these because you can make multiples and use them anywhere that you choose to. Have you been to Dollar Tree and have you seen these two candle holders? Gold and black. It's the only two colors that I have seen. But I saw these and I had this instant idea because of another Dollar Tree item. And that Dollar Tree item is these candle rings that they sell. You see them every year. And I took this and I just simply put it on the side of where the candle holder or the candle goes, and then I just simply popped it around that handle, and there you have it. And then with the simple placing of a candle, how cool is that? I think that looks just wonderful. You get a lovely arrangement at the bottom of the candle holder. Sometimes you do have to put sometimes I put a rubber band in if a candle isn't going to be properly sitting inside a holder. I'll put a rubber band down there, and that really helps make it snug. But these are so simple to make. Literally, it is just one of these candle holders, a floral ring, put that on this side of the candle holder, pull it down over this handle because it stretches, and then place your candle inside. And if you think that looks nice, these are the ones that I truly like. Now imagine these anywhere in your home, however you would like to use them. And this literally is my favorite of what I've been showing you today. For more great information on how to style your home, check out these previous episodes shown here. Remember to like, comment, and share on these videos, and to make sure you see the next new episode, hit the subscription button and the notification bell, and you will be good to go. As always, bye for now.